These are my soft, gooey and jammy eggs cured in soy and wild garlic, and they were delicious. So I recently pickled a load of wild garlic in soy, shiitake mushrooms and chilli, and I had the excess liquor left over. So I cured some egg yolks in the first lot and they were incredible. And then someone recommended about doing the kind of almost like tea stained eggs, I guess. So for these, all I've done is soft boiled the eggs. So these were large eggs. I cooked them for 5 minutes, chilled them down, peeled them, and then pushed them into the soy mixture. Popped these in the fridge and I left them for 5 days, and the suspense was killing me. So you can see they've stained nicely, looking great. But when I cut them open, they were so jammy, fudgy and delicious inside. And I chopped up a bit of the soy pickled wild garlic, added some flowers as always, and popped this on top. And this, just as a snack within its own right, was incredible. But I'm going to look at dropping these onto curries, kind of noodle soups, that type of thing, if I have any left. You have to make some.